Hello everyone, thank you for watching the roofing channel. Today, we are going to show you how to install gutter screens. Gutter screens are essentially filters that help keep leaves and debris out of your gutters. This is super important because if you don't have any, it can cause major clogs. Thank you for watching. Let's get it. Step 1. Size and cut the gutter screen. There are many different types of gutters, and we want to make sure that the screens can be fastened very snug onto them. Sizing and then cutting it to the length that we need is super important. Step 2. Place the gutter screen. For this next step, you're just going to want to lift the last row of shingles very carefully and slide the gutter screens right underneath. You want to make sure that it doesn't get caught on anything and that it's nice and snug for our next step. Step 3. Screw the gutter screens in. You don't want wind, hail, or whatever major weather to peel the screens off. So, making sure that they are screwed in tightly is vital. Just look along the ridge of the gutters for the screw holes and boom, there you go. Step 4. Check your work. You'll want to softly push and move the gutter screens to make sure they aren't shifting and make sure every screw is in place. After that, congratulations, your gutters are protected. Thank you so much for watching the roofing channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.